Welcome back, folks, to the Via Pinstriping page. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. So today I just kind of wanted to give you all a quick little tip that I like to do with these shop towels. These are the ones that I like to use for wiping mistakes and cleaning off panels or any surface that I'm going to pinstripe. I like to use these shop towels. It doesn't exactly have to be this brand, but they do have to be the softer ones. I did make the mistake of buying the window. I think they were meant for windows, and they were a lot more coarse. So you want to go with the original shop towels. And what I like to do is cut them into little squares. So that way when I have to fix a mistake, I have these little bits that I can use. I sometimes even rip them in half, but you do have to be careful because sometimes they do like to leave a lot of lint. So I might use the corner. I'll dip a little mineral spirits and use that to wipe off mistakes. I have had moments to where I use the entire towel and I go like such, and then the bottom of it grazes and it kind of pulls the paint off. So all I do is I'll take the whole towel. See if I can get this on camera. Kind of just fold it in half. Get some regular old scissors. Give it a couple little cuts. Probably need some sharpen these scissors. Give it another cut. And it kind of makes my towel go a little bit longer. I get a little bit more use out of these towels. And if I really want to, I can cut them up into smaller pieces. And I just use them once and toss them as I go. So hopefully that helps. I'll put some links in the comments to Amazon where you could purchase some of these. And it is an affiliate link, so I would get a small bit of commission if you were to purchase anything through that link at no cost to you. Well, it would just be the cost of the towels, but no extra cost. And it'd be a good way to help support the channel. So hopefully them little tips help. Let me know what you think. I did want to say, at first I sort of got this idea from my buddy Elroy Kirkendall. He used to take the whole roll and cut it in half, and they kind of look more like toilet paper shape, smaller squares. But then I had a hard time cutting the rolls in half, so I just kind of went with this. And shout out to Elroy. He's got a couple of videos on YouTube, so look him up as well. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Happy New Year.